Tungunan Hot Spring National Park located in Ormoc City, Mababa Island located in Cuatro Islas, Himokilan Island located in Hundang, Mount Pangusagan Eco Park located in Pangusagan, Baybay. Cultural destinations. People Center and Library located in Real Street in Tacloban City, Santo Niño Shrine and Heritage Museum located in Real Street in Tacloban City. Historical destinations. Leyte Provincial Capital, located in St. Adrian Street and Magsaysay Boulevard in Tacloban City. Regional Residence, located in T. Claudius Street in Tacloban City. General Douglas MacArthur Landing Memorial, located in Reed Beach in Palo. Boy Scout Monument, located in Rotonda, Fatima Village. Monument of the Filipino Soldier, located in Pawing. Man-made destinations. San Juan Eco Bridge located in Barangay Cabaluan in Tacloban City. SOS Children or Youth Villages in Milagrosa located in Barangay Diit. Visayas State College of Agriculture located in Baybay. Festivals. Sanggutan Festival held on May 18 in Barogo. Pasaka Festival held on August 14 in Tanawan. Pintados Festival, okay, lol.
Lol.
Pintados Festival held on June 21 in Tacloban City. Subiran Ligata held on June 28 in Tacloban City. Balyuan Festival held on June 29 in Balyuan Tower in Tacloban City. Products, delicacies, and cuisines in Leyte are the maroon, binagol, and rice.